All right, so this is page 28 in the notes packet. These are some arithmetic series practices. So we have U1 equal to 12, U2 equal to 21, U3 equal to 30. And we know that D, we can find that by doing U3 minus U2 or U2 minus U1. Either way, it is 9. Meaning that U10 is equal to U1, which is 12, plus our common difference, which is 9, times 10 minus 1. And you see that that's going to end up being 93. And then find S10. So remember our formula for S10 is N or for Sn. Sorry, let me just write the generic formula here. So it's Sn is equal to N over 2 times U1 plus Un. So that means S10 is equal to 10 over 2 times 12 plus 93. And that's going to turn out to be 1,050. All right. So the fifth term of an arithmetic sequence is 25. The 11th term is 49. So now we have to find the common difference. So to do this, we know that essentially from U5 to U6, we're making 6 jumps of the same magnitude. And over that interval, we're covering 24 units, right? So across 6 jumps, we go from 25 to 49. That means each jump must be 4. So D must be 4. All right, so it's U5 minus that's U11 minus U5 over 11 minus 5. I should put that in the notes packet somewhere. And then find U1, the first term in the sequence. Well, if 25 is the fifth term, then U1 would be 25 minus 4 times our common difference 4, meaning that it would be 9. The reason why there's because if you're starting at 5 and you want to go back to 1, well, you have to count back 4 times. So you have 4 jumps going backwards, each jump of 4, meaning you jump back 16 total. Your U1 is 9. All right, so we want to find S100. Well, now that we have D and we have U1, well, we first want to find U100. And so U100 is going to be 9 plus 4 times 100 minus 1. So it's going to be 9 plus 396. So that's going to be 405, meaning that S100 is going to be 100 over 2 times 9 plus 405. So that's going to be 50 times 414. All right. And that's going to be, so 5 times 414 would be 2070. So it's going to be 20,700. Let me check my math on that. 50 times 414. Yep. All right. So now the fifth term of an arithmetic sequence is 5. The 8th term of the same sequence is 14. So now we're finding the common difference of the sequence. So again, if you're covering over a course of 3 jumps, you're covering 9 units. So U8 minus U5 over 8 minus 5 is the same as saying 14 minus 5 over 8 minus 5, which is 9 over 3, or 3. So our D is 3. If U5 is 5 and D is 3, then U1 is 5 minus 5 minus 4 times 3. It's going to be 5 minus 12, which is going to be negative 7. All right. So S100. So now that we have U1, we want to start by finding U100. And so U100, that's going to be negative 7 plus 3 times 100 minus 1. That's negative 7 plus 297, which means it's 290. Meaning that S100 is going to be equal to 100 over 2 times negative 7 plus 290. That's going to be 50 times 283. And 50 times 283 is 14,150.